Sairam children, today we are going to do maths. In maths, today we are going to continue our chapter 2 in maths workbook from question number 2. Okay children, let's come to our chapter. Chapter number 2, fun with numbers. Chapter number 2, fun with numbers. Now children, come to question number 2. In a cricket match, Yuvraj Singh scored 95 runs and only one ball is left to complete his century. In a cricket match, Yuvraj Singh scored 95 runs and one ball is left to complete his century. He hit 4 on the last ball using the above information. So children, Yuvraj scored 95 runs. Only one ball is left to complete his century. He hit 4 on the last ball. He hit 4 on the last run or last ball. Okay. So, last ball he hit 4. So, how many runs he need to score his century? That is 1. 1 run he needs to score. So total 5 runs he needs. So that will make his century complete. So here if he scored 5 runs, so he scored his century. I told you previous also, century will be completed at 100 runs. Okay children. Now come to next. Complete the table. Players and runs scored. Here some of the players are given and runs scored. Now children, runs needed to complete a century. Now how many runs they needed to complete a century? How we will find out? For century I told you 100 runs. Okay, and how much runs they scored and how much runs they needed to complete their century. So children, let's have a look. I will do 2 for you, rest you will do on your own. So children, come back. Now Sachin scored 67 runs. How many runs? 67 runs. So children, how many runs he need to score? Yes, very good. You are correct. Children, he need to score 33 runs. And how you will get? I told you previous also, if you did 100 minus 67, so it will come 33. So he need to complete his century, that is 33 runs. That is 33 runs. Children, next, Dhoni scored how many runs? 89. Yes, he scored how many runs? 89. So children, how many runs he need to score more to complete his century? Yes, very good. He need to score 11 more runs. Okay, to complete his century. As I told you, 100 minus 89 what will come? 11. So he need to score 11 more runs to complete his century. Now, children, come to next. Third question, write the following numbers in words. You have to write the following numbers in words. You have to write down the number names. So first is 89. So children, can you tell me what is the number names for 89? Yes, correct. It is E, I, G, H, T, Y, 80, and what will come, children? That is 9, 89. Okay, children. Now next is 143. So children, how you will write? You will write ONE 1. Then you will write 100, HUNDRED 100, and 40 FORTY 43. Okay, children, you will write in same line. I am write I don't have space. You will write here only. Understood? You will complete this as I told you to do number names for practice. So I hope you will complete this. Okay, children? Now come to next question. Expand the following. An example has been done for you. So children, what you have to do in this? You have to expand the form of a given number. Like it is 567. So it is 500 plus 60 plus 7. So children, let's have a look. One I will do for you. This is 300. Then 20. Then 6. That is 326. Okay, children. Now come to next. Same you will do here also, children. You will expand the form of the given number like 400. Okay, children. 90 plus 90 plus 9. 499. Okay, children. Rest you will do on your own. Understood? Now come to next question. Scores made by players of Indian cricket teams are given below. Like you can see different players here and their score. Now here also players and their scores. Okay, children. So first, that scored the highest run. Who scored the highest run? Yes, correct. You can see and you are right. So children, Sehwag scored the highest run. Okay, children. Now next, Srishant missed his half century by. Now Srishant missed his half century by. First you see how many runs Srishant scored. Srishant scored, yes, that is 44 runs. You can see Srishant scored 44 runs. So how many runs he need? That is, yes, very good. Yes, he need to score 56 runs. Okay, then he will complete his century. Dravid missed his century by how many runs? He scored 59 runs. So, how many runs he need to score? Yes, very good. Correct. Now he need 41 run. Due to 41 runs, he missed his century. 59 plus 41 is equals to 100. So he need 41 runs that he missed his century. Okay. Next, dash, dash and dash almost equal run. So children, you can have a look. Kumble, Prasad and Mongia near about almost scored equal run. So children, you will write here like Kumble in first blank. In second blank you will write Prasad, and in third you will write Mongia. Okay children, I hope you understand. Here you will write Kumble, then you will write Prasad. Okay, and in third blank what you will write? You will write here Mongia. Okay, you will write full. I have written in short. Dash scored lowest run. Who scored lowest run? Very lowest run who scored? Yes, you are correct. Kumble. Who scored? Kumble. He scored only 9 run. He scored only 9 run. Okay children. Now come to our next question. Follow the instruction and write next 4 numbers. Children, have a look. We have to add next 4 numbers according this given statement, right? They are saying counting by 10. So we have to add 10 in the next number, like 112 plus 10, that will 122. Next is 132. Next is 142, and last 152. So these are 4 numbers that adding by 10 and we get our next 4 numbers. Okay children. Now come to next. 95. In this you have to add counting by 15. Okay children. Now one more I will do for you. Rest you will do on your own. Okay. Now come here. In this you have to add 300. Counting by 300. Like it is 135. Okay. If we add 135 plus 300, what will come? Yes, very good. That will come children 435. 435. Okay. Next is 435 we did. Next is 300 we add, that will 735. Next we add, then it will come 1035. Next we add, then it will come 1335. So these are your next 4 numbers when we are adding 300 in. Now come to next question. Complete the pattern. Children, this same question we did according to the number, how they are adding and how they are jumping forward, backward. According to that we are adding number or we are subtracting number. So one I will do for you, like 116, 121, 126 and 131. In this they are adding 5 numbers forward. So next 4 numbers what will? 136. That is 136. Okay. Next 141. You will write here only. I am writing here for you. Next is 146. And next is 151. Now children, last 136, 236, 336 and 436. In this, they are adding 100. Okay. So your next four numbers, 536, 636, 736 and very good 836. Okay children, by adding 100 in all. So you will see whether they are adding forward, whether they are subtracting or whether they are getting backward. Now next. So children, now come to our next question. Read the story and answer the following. In this, we have to read the story. Now, Gabru, Bunny and Taru. Okay children, Gabru, Bunny and Taru are jumping their way. Gabru jumps on every 6 step, Bunny fifth step and Taru on every 4th step. So children, here he is Gabru, he is Bunny and he is Taru. He is jumping on every 6th step. Okay, and he is jumping on step and Taru is jumping on 4th step. So children, in this you have to add on their numbers according to their jump. So in first question, Gabru's 7th jump will be on step number. Now you can have a look here. Jump. Now we have to find out Gabru's which jump? 7 jump. So children, this I will explain you. Now look. Gabru is jumping from 113 number. Okay. And he will jump on every 6 step. So children, on 6 step his first jump will be on 119. Like you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 114 you are starting to count. So 6th jump is on 119. Now children, his next jump is on 125. Okay. Now next his third jump. Like this we will add on 6 step and according to that we will find out that 7th jump will be on 155 number. Okay children. Now next, in this same you will look, Bunny is jumping on every 5th step. So his which jump? His 5th jump. Okay. Bunny is jumping according to his 5 step. Okay. So his 5th jump will be on which number? Yes, you are correct. His 5th jump will be on 150. Okay children. And Gabru's jump, that will be on 155. Taru 11th jump will be on step number 11th jump. So we have to add 4 step and his 11th jump will be on, yes, you are correct, that is 166. Okay children, which of them will cross step number 150 at the earlier? Now children, who will cross early? Yes, very good. Here 150 will be crossed by early, that is, yes, that is Gabru or Bunny, because they are both having only 1 step difference. So who will cross first? Yes. Yes. Now we can have Bunny is crossing in 5th jump. Okay. Bunny is crossing 150 in fifth jump. But Gabru is crossing 150 number. That is on 7th. So, early who will cross? Early Bunny will cross. Who will cross? Bunny will cross. So, here we will write will cross first. Okay, children? Give the step number, if any, on which two of the boys jump. Yes, children. On 155 number, two boys jump. That is Bunny and Gabru. Bunny jump on 7th jump. Okay. And Bunny jump on 6th jump. Okay. So they both jump on the same number on different step number, and their jump is 155 number. They are jumping same. That is Gabru and Bunny. Okay, children. Now come to our next question. 9. How many packets of tens, hundreds and loose items are required for given number of items? Children, this we have did. Now, for example, one I will do for you. In this number of packet of 100, we can take 1. 10 packets we can take according to the number. Okay. Like here, one I will do for you. You will take 2 packet of 100. Okay, children. 1 packet of 10 and 2 you will take loose. 2 you will take loose. So it is 200 plus 10, that is 210 plus 2, that is 212. So children, I hope you understand this. Now according to that you will differentiate. For example, one more, like 1 packet of 100. Okay. 10 packet we are not taking because 4 is there. So we will take 4 in loose item. Understood, children? You will draw here pictures. Like you will draw here 4 pictures of this fruit. Okay. And 1 packet you will write here of 100. Loose item you will draw here. Understood, children? According to the number of items. Like ball is there, so you will draw according to that. Now, next, come to next, children. Now, in this question number 10, Sham, a fruit seller, takes only notes of 100. Okay, 10 and coins. He is Sham and he will take notes of 100, 10 or 1. He will not take 50 rupees notes. He will take 100 rupees note, 10 rupees note and 1 rupees coin he will take. So children, according to that, you have to expand the form of this number. Like 100 notes, how many, children? That is 5. Now next, 10 notes, how many, children? That is 8. Next, 1 rupees coin, children, he will take 9. So children, 5 into 100, that is 500, plus 8 into 10, that is 80, plus 9 into 1, that is 9. So children, 589. Like this, you have to expand the form. Okay, children. Next, you will do. Now, for this, how many notes he will take? He will take 10 notes of 8. Okay, children. And 1 coin, 1 rupees coin he will take 7. So, children, 8 into 10, 80. 1 into, yes, 1 into 7, that is 7. So, 87. Now, children, come back to our next question. 11th question. In this, you have to match the following. I come between 65 and 75. So, children, I have 3 in my ones. You can see 3 in my ones is this. So children, we will match with this. This is your first one. Now, next I have 9 in tens place and 4 in my ones place. So children, you can have a look at once. 9 in 10 place and 4 in 1 place. So this is your second. Okay children. Next, I am equal to sum of double century and half century. Children, 1 century will be at 100. So 100 double century is saying 100 plus 100 is equals to 200 plus half century is at 50. So children, your answer is 250. What is your answer? 250. Okay children. Next, I am an odd number between 215 and 221. I have 9 in ones place. So children, let's have a look. 9 in ones place. So that is 219. So this is your fourth. I am an even number between 144 and 150. Even number that is divisible by 2. So sum of the digit is 140, 11. So if we add this 4 plus 1, 5 and 6, 11. So your number is, yes, your number is this. So this is your fifth one. Understood children? Now next, come to next question. Fill in the blanks. In this you have to add. They have given you an expanded form. So 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 3. So children, that is 213. Okay children. Next. Now you can have a look. 100 rupees notes. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children. And this is your 10 rupees notes. So children, here your total is 400 and, yes, very good, 430. Your answer is 430. Okay children. Now next, in this you can have a view. Matchsticks are there. Matchsticks. So 5 groups. So you will count and you will write here like 10 in each group. So how many groups are there? Yes, you can have a view. 10 into 6 groups are there. So 10 into 6, that is 60. Now next children, this is your 100 rupees note and 10 rupees note, and coins are there. Yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is 119. Okay children. Now come to next question. In this you can count also. Okay children, at once you can count matchstick and then you will multiply. Okay. Now come to next question children. In this, write all the odd numbers. First we will not do. Okay. From second we are doing. Write all the odd numbers between, that is 546 to 563. So children, odd numbers are those which are not divisible by 2. Okay children. So you have to write down the numbers between 546 and 563. So your answer is 547, 549 and 551. Like this you will continue odd numbers before 563. Okay, so your last, that is 561. Now come to next. Write all the even numbers between 199 and 230. So children, you have to write down even numbers. Even numbers are those which are divisible by 2. So children, you will start from 200. Okay. And your last number I told you, that is, yes, that is 200 and up to 230 you have to write. So your last number is 280. Okay. In between you will write according to that. Now children, come to next. Bunny jumps 10 steps backward from 390 till 210. Okay. Write the number of steps he jumped. He jumped 10 steps. So children, how you will write? Yes, you will write his jump. Like you will write 380, 370. Like this you will write his 10 steps till 210. Because on 210 he jumped. How many jumps? Yes, 10 steps backward. Okay children. Next, Sudhir scored 60 runs in a match. How many more runs he need to require to score a century? Yes, children, he need to score 40 runs more. Okay, he need to score 40 runs more. Now, children, next, how many rupees Radha had when she had 300 rupees notes and two 20 rupees notes and 7 rupees coins? So children, 100 rupees she is having 3, so that is 300. Okay children, and 20 rupees notes she is having 2, so that is 40, and 1 rupees coin, that is 7. So your answer is 300 plus 40 plus 7. So your answer is 347. Okay children. Now children, revise and do your work properly, neatly, and revise all the questions properly. So children, thank you and bye. Okay children, bye, and do complete your work. Okay children.